Yes, friends. So just I was talking about Dhirendra Shastri's horoscope. Now let me talk about Prabhupada's horoscope. What is Prabhupada's horoscope talks about? Prabhupada's horoscope, Lagna Lord, which is Saturn, is exalted in the 10th house, right? And in the 9th house, Mercury is in own sign, exalted. Mercury is exalted, kept in this Virgo sign, 6th sign. 6th sign is lorded by Mercury. Mercury is exalted here, but Venus is there. Venus again here created the problem. Venus is, in this case, Venus is creating problem. There Venus is not creating problem, but Venus is in his own sign. But here Venus is debilitated here. Venus is debilitated in the 6th sign, means Virgo sign. Venus is debilitated, but Mercury is exalted. So there is Neech Bangaraj Yoga, because that debilitation is cancelled of Venus, because Mercury is there. Mercury, lord of that sign, is there. Mercury is exalted here, but Venus is debilitated. So some problems of destiny, dharma will be there, but those will be overpowered by him because of Mercury is exalted here. So 9th house is very strong. Destiny, dharma, divine power and devotion. These 4 activities very strong, and fame. He will be a famous person. He will get fame. Whenever 9th house is very strong, okay, 9th Lord is very strong. If he has not gone to, 9th Lord is not gone to 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, then the problem is not there. The person will be very, what you call, spiritual person. Very, believing in God, believing in destiny, believing in dharma, believing in devotion. Okay, he will have devotion power, he will have divine power as well. Okay, in this case, as I when described Nehru's horoscope, then Pandit Nehru's horoscope, in horoscope, the Lord of 9th house has gone to 6th house. So he was having lack of belief in dharma. He was westernized person, totally different from whatever the culture of India is there. So he was going against of that. Okay, eating meat and all those things. But here Venus and Mercury both are placed in the 9th house. So Venus, even if it is debilitated, but that debilitation is cancelled. The Lord of the 9th Lord, Mercury is there. Mercury is exalted in the 6th sign, in Cancer, in Virgo sign. So Venus is aspecting the 3rd house as well. In the 3rd house, Venus is exalted, 12th sign. Why Venus is exalted in the 12th sign? Because in this case, in this 6th sign, Venus is debilitated, but in 12th sign, Venus is exalted. So this and Mercury is debilitated. Okay, in the 12th sign, Mercury is debilitated in 12th sign. So both are having negative, positive in the 3rd house also. So in the 3rd house, which represents efforts, okay, whatever the activity the person will have, so he will have some problems in his activity, but even then they will be won over by him. The reason is Venus is exalted here. Venus is giving or aspecting this house, which is exaltation sign for Venus, but debilitation sign for Mercury. So despite some problems, he will win over those problems. And the 9th house also having debilitated planet, exalted planet as well. So here also in the destiny house, he may have some problems, but those problems will be won over. 9th house is very strong. Despite that, is having some problem. But so dharma. So in the following dharma, following divine power, destiny, and all those things, he might have some problems. He will have some problems, but even then, those problems will be won over by him, because 9th Lord is exalted here. So Mercury, Venus, placed here, they are friendly planets, but Mercury is exalted in the sign and Venus is debilitated. So some problems still are there, but even then, this house is very strong because Mercury is exalted. So exaltation sign. There Venus is his own sign. Okay, so both are having some problems in case of belief. They may have some lack of what you call believing in destiny. That why I have to believe in destiny, this and this. But even then, that will be won over by him because the 9th Lord is strong. 9th Lord is his own sign. 9th Lord is his own sign. Here also 9th Lord is his own sign. Mercury Lord is a Lord of Virgo sign. Okay, so in both the cases, Lords of 9th houses are there. Okay, they are being disturbed by friendly sign, by friendly planet. Here they are in neutral planet, here it is friendly planet, or the lord of that house, okay, is there, and that is disturbed by Venus, but even then that will run over. So both are very spiritual person. Okay, the spiritualism is there, destiny is there. They are spreading their dharma. Okay, so divine power, dharma, famous. They will be very famous people because fame. So five points are there. I always define 4 D's and 1 F. F is fame, famous. The person will be very famous, and 4 D means divine power, destiny, dharma, and devotion. Devotion means so much strongly they will believe whatever the work is done by them, that is done with devotion, very much determination. So determination is there in their work. Okay, so all the activities will be done by them with devotion, with determination, and that will be won over. Yeah, because in this case there are certain people who are always doing some efforts and getting achievement directly without any disturbance. But in this case, disturbances are there in both the cases. They may feel some problems in their efforts, but even then, those efforts will be won over by them. The reason is the supports are there. Okay, here Jupiter is aspecting. If Jupiter is retrograde, in this case, see there, Jupiter is aspecting 9th house also. Because if Jupiter is retrograde, then it goes to 3rd house. From 3rd house, if Jupiter is there, then Jupiter is aspecting 9th house also. Okay, so retrograde Jupiter is very good because it is aspecting not only 3 houses, but in that situation, 7 houses, 6 houses, 3 plus 3. So double aspects are there. So Jupiter is placed in 3rd house, suppose it will aspect 9th house, 7th aspect, 5th aspect will be in the 4th house, which is his own sign. Okay, so 4th house, this 7th house will also be aspected by Jupiter if Jupiter goes to 3rd house because it is retrograde. So Jupiter is having double benefits in this case, in case of Pandit Dhirendra Shastri's horoscope, right? So Jupiter has given him a lot of prosperity. It's very beneficial to his life, his whole, destiny as well. Because Jupiter is aspecting 9th house also if it goes to 3rd house because it is retrograde. In retrogression, they say that Jupiter is having double benefits in this case, right? If suppose Jupiter is not retrograded, then very wonderful Mahapurusha Yoga, Hans Mahapurusha Yoga will be. And Bhadra Mahapurusha Yoga, which is done by Mercury. Mercury is in own sign to 10th house. Mercury is in his own sign. That is giving Bhadra Mahapurusha Yoga. But that Bhadra Mahapurusha Yoga is some disturbed by Sun. Because if Sun is there, with these 5 planets, there are 5 Mahapurusha Yogas. Shas Mahapurusha Yoga is guided by Saturn. Saturn, if it is exalted in his own sign, as is here, Saturn is exalted here. So it is Shas Mahapurusha Yoga. So what are the benefits of those yogas that are discussed later, in the next lecture of mine, prediction of mine. So that I'll take later. But all these yogas which are given in the 2 horoscopes, they are very beneficial to them. Some are negative, as Daridra Yoga is there. One is food poisoning yoga, that is known as Vispriyog Yoga. Both are having Vispriyog Yoga. Again, second house lord has gone to Navans is gone to here second lord is debilited in the Navans. And there 7th lord is Venus. So Venus also in the Navans has gone to, with negative planets. I think with it is placed with Mars or with Rahu in the Rahu Ketu axis or with Sun is there. So second house he is also having, both are having Vish Prana Yoga, Vispriyog Yoga. That's known as Vispriyog Yoga. Means they will have some food poisoning problem. Okay, some people may give them poison and something poisonous food or some. They may suffer with this. He might also have suffered with this food poisoning problem. Okay, so food poisoning problem because second lord is debilitated in the Navans. So there also second house if is aspected by Saturn is not aspecting, but second or 7th house. 7th house is also very negative. Reason is Ketu, Saturn are there. Ketu and Saturn both are in the 7th house, so 7th house is disturbed. So he may have some tumor, etc. Okay, so that problem may happen to him. Now, next thing is, what are the similarities of these two people? As I told you, that if I just subtract the year of Dhirendra Shastri, we will get the 100th year. Why? Because if I subtract from Dhirendra Shastri's date of birth, which is 4/7/1996. Alright, 1996, let me change it. 1996. So this is 1996. And Prabhupada is 1/9 September 1896. So if you subtract this, you will get 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 days, third day. Then 3 days, and if I take 1 year, means 12 months to the 7 months, 7 plus 12, 19. 19 minus 9 is 10. So 10 months are there. There 1 year is less. From 96 it is 95 now. So out of 9, if I subtract 9 from 1995 to 1896, we will get 99, which is 99 years. So 99 years, 10 months and the third day. This is the difference of their age, their date of birth. So after the 99 years, 10 months, so in the 11th month, third day, Dhirendra Shastri is born after Prabhupada's date of birth. Okay, so in the 11th month, Dhirendra Shastri is born, 100th year, 11th month, in the 11th month of 100th year. 11th month of 100th year from Prabhupada's, Pandit Dhirendra Krishna Shastri is born. This is how they are century saints, century Dharma Pracharak, they are century Mahapurushas, or they are very visionary people. Okay, so they are spreading Sanatana Dharma. They are propagators of, contributors, you may say, propagators. Thousands of people are there who are propagators of Sanatana Dharma. Number of people have visited, have gone to foreign countries, but their contribution is limited. Even then, whatever limitations are there, they may have some limitations, but their contributions are not seen so much as these people's contributions will be shown or will be seen by the people. Okay, why they are seen? Because 9th house Lord is very strong. Even if they are having some minor defect, minor problems, but even those problems, and 12th house is very strong. 12th house of both is very strong. Here 12th house is aspected by Saturn, so he may have some problems in the foreign traveling. Okay, but 9th house is aspected by Jupiter also. Here Jupiter is aspecting, this 12th house, 9th sign, Sagittarius sign. This 9th sign is of Jupiter. Jupiter is in the 8th house. From 8th house, Jupiter is aspecting 12th house, his own sign. Here also, Jupiter 12th house is very strong. Is very favorable. Despite Saturn is aspecting 12th house, third aspect, 1, 2, 3. So Saturn is also aspecting 12th house. We may have some problems in foreign traveling, but even then, because Jupiter is the lord of the 12th house, and Jupiter is aspecting his own sign, Sagittarius sign or Dhanu Rasi is aspected by Jupiter as well. Jupiter is the lord of that house. So his 12th house is also very strong, very favorable, very strong one. Despite some problems will be there because Saturn is also aspecting. So Saturn's aspect is negative, but even then Jupiter is aspecting his own sign, very strong sign. So 12th, foreign traveling is very profitable to him. Okay, and in his case of liberation is also there because Jupiter is aspecting his own sign. And Jupiter is placed in the 8th house, which is of Sun. Leo sign is ordered by Sun, which is friendly sign. Friendly sign. So 8th house, some divine, outside support will be there, but will have some problems in outside support. But even then, in the Rahu Ketu axis, because they are there, so Jupiter and Sun both are. Sun is the lord of 8th house, and Jupiter is also there, which is friendly. So 8th house here also, third house support is there, or third party support, hidden support, or ancestral support will also be there. From family support will also be there, and Jupiter is also aspecting the fourth house from here. So motherly support is there. Okay, because this one sign is aspected by, or Aries sign is aspected by Jupiter with 7th, 8th, 9th aspect. So fourth house is strong. Motherly support is also there. Now, but here Mars is Mars is aspecting this 12th house, which is friendly sign, because 7th aspect, 8th, so 8th drishti or 8th aspect of Mars is also there. Okay, so 12th house is aspected by 3 planets. Saturn is aspecting negative, but Mars is aspecting positive, Jupiter is aspecting positive. So 12th house is double benefit and one negative. So you may say that some problems might be faced by him, but even then he will be very successful in that. Okay, so success will be there obtained by him in case of his efforts in foreign traveling. So this is how the 12th house is very strong. Okay, so Lagna Lord is strong because Saturn is exalted. Second house is also strong. Saturn is Lord of that, or that second house is also strong. But even then, as I told you that in Navan's house, Saturn has deviated, has gone to Aries sign. So because of that, some problems might be faced by him. He may have some food poisoning as well. So food poisoning will be faced by him. Some people will give him some poison as well. Poisonous food will be given by some people to him. Okay, so this is because of Saturn is deviated in the Navansh. Or you may say second house Lord, if he is deviated in the Navansh or has gone to the with malefic planets or placed in the 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, then this kind of problem may occur. Here also, that problem is faced. That yoga is also there. So I'll just talk about after this. Okay, and what are the other similarity? Very good similarity is there. What is the other similarity? Final, because they are both are born in the Krishna Paksha, or dark half of the month, dark half of the or lunar month, you may say. So when moon was in the dark half or was in the Krishna Paksha, both are born in the Krishna Paksha. Here Prabhupada was born on the 9th day of the Krishna Paksha, that means Navami. He is born on the Navami, means just one day after Lord Krishna's birthday. Because Lord Krishna's birthday is on Ashtami. Ashtami is 8th day of the Krishna Paksha, is 8th day of the dark half. Right? So Krishna Ashtami, after that, just next day, Prabhupada was born on Navami. So this is after Krishna Janmashtami. And because of that, his name was given to Abhay Charan Day. Abhay Charan Day, his was childhood name. Abhay Charan Day. Abhay means the person who is without any fear. Abhay has no fear, fearless person. So his name was given Abhay Day, Abhay Charan Day. I think Abhay Charan Day. His childhood period. The reason was because he was born on the 2nd day after Lord Krishna's birthday. So his father gave him the name as Abhay Charan Day, right? So this is how he was born in the 9th day, after 2nd day after the Lord Krishna's birthday. And Dhirendra Shastri is born on the 4th, means Chaturthi, means 4th day of the Krishna Paksha. 4th day of the Krishna Paksha or Darka. 4th day means just 3 days before, Ashtami of Lord Krishna will be celebrated or was celebrated after 3 days. Because 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, 7th day and 8th, on the 8th, okay, Ashtami was celebrated. Lord Krishna's Ashtami was celebrated. Before that, Dhirendra Shastri was born on the 4th, this is 4th, Chaturthi. After 4th, suppose 4th is one day, 5th, 6th, 7th, so after 4th day, you may say, next 4th day, Lord Krishna's birthday was celebrated after Dhirendra Shastri's birth. So both are born in the Krishna Paksha. This is also very common to them. Okay, this common feature is also found that both are born in the Krishna Paksha. Initially, I was going to compare Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's horoscope with Prabhupada's horoscope, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is born in 1486, I think. In 1486, just 400 years before. Because he is born in 1896, 410 years.